It's recording. Oh, hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Let's Move Spinning number 007. We're gonna get straight into this, so enjoy the ride. Here we go. So are you in for a special ride today? We're gonna take you all over the place and you are gonna love it. Either you want it or not. Okay, so first you want to start with a little bit of resistance. Just a little bit of resistance to get you started. You don't want to start too heavy, but not too light either. Good luck. You might need it. Not now, but later on, you definitely will. 1 hour until our ultimate peak. I'll take you there. Good luck. So, just a little resistance, as I said. You know, just a little resistance, enough to start out with. Yes, and keep the pace going. Drop those shoulders just a little bit before we start our first pace. Alright, speed it up just a little. So beautiful, love. Thank you. Alright, speed up a little. Drop your shoulders, hands nice and wide. First sprint starts here. Go. Nice and smooth, strong and smooth. Oh, just a little bit. Oh yes. And stop just for a second. Drop the shoulders again. Keep that resistance because every round we want to raise up the resistance or the intensity with every round that we take. So, good luck. Round number 2 exactly the same, but just a little bit faster or heavier. Increase the load or increase your speed more than you did the round before. Sounds logical. Alright, drop the shoulders, hands nice and wide. Here we go, go. Just a little faster because you still have something in there. Yes, I love you a lot. I really do. Oh yes. Woo! Okay. Take back the speed for a bit. Bring your hands back. And take up that resistance because we're going to go for our very first climb of today. So increase the resistance. Enough resistance to start your first climb. So increase that resistance so more. We're going to have 2 relatively long climbs. Make sure you're ready, mentally and physically. And physically, I mean, just keep on turning until you feel you can carry your own weight on your pedals. More. Stand up. Yes. Some things come as a surprise. So does this climb. Whee! Believe it or not, today is supposed to be the hottest day of the year so far in my country. And still I chose to be inside spinning with you guys. Oh. Keep on going, keep on going. As I said, 2 long climbs and you're gonna get 2 long climbs. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. None of your I don't want no scrub, is a guy that can't get no. Yes, your first round can be easy, but shouldn't be too easy. We're still building up. Yes, and we have a long way to go. Okay, sit yourself down. Release that resistance for just a bit. And round number 2 obviously goes a little bit further. I don't know why, but I'm thirsty already and I'm gonna sweat a whole lot in this class, and so should you be. If you don't have a car and you're walking, oh yes sir. If you don't have a car, just cycle. Live at home. Come on. Oh yes sir. We're all on the same page. Okay, so just a little bit more resistance than you had now, than you had the second before, but as well, more resistance than you had last round. More resistance, hands out, open up your chest, and go. Yes. And if it feels too light, that's because it probably is. So turn that resistance a little bit more to the right. Righty-tighty, you know the word. Keep on going. So, keep on going. So from this climb, we're gonna go straight into a sprint. We're gonna have 3 sprints in a row. A relatively short one, short break, short one, longer break, long sprints. And just for you to know. So what you wanna do is move your body forward a bit. Yes, and increase that speed. So just a little faster, we're gonna sprint off this hill. So faster, 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 even faster, even faster. Keep on going. Yes, you can feel it coming. The lasers are coming. Yeah, Mr. Bond, I want you to talk. All right, sit yourself down, release that resistance, hands out, and here we go, go. Your first actual sprint from today, make it a good one. Ow! Choo, choo, choo. Nice.
This is the
Keep on going. Oh yes. Only 4 to go. 3. Enough for now. Hands back. Short break. So we're gonna go straight on to the next sprint. But then you're gonna get a long break because you might need it if it's as hot as it is here. Good luck. Just a little faster. Drop the shoulders right again. Hands up. And here we go.
laser. This is the laser right here.
Okay, just a little bit more. Keep on going. Ow! And relax. Long break. Not to recover too much, but to make sure that you can go deeper and further the next round. The next round is way longer. So good luck. You might need it. And I will tell you that's a lot in this class because you really might need it. Decided not to keep holding back with the intensity of these classes because you can always sit down when I tell you not to sit down, but I can never really trust you to stand up when I'm not telling you to stand up. So you can always take a rest if it's really necessary. But you know what? Just don't if you don't feel like it. A little bit more resistance, shoulders down, hands up, and go!
The laser.
Ow! Yeah!
This is the laser.
This is the laser. Oh yes. And I know you're thinking, I can go faster. Just show me. Do it. Woo! Oh yes. More, faster, deeper, strong. I know you can do it. You know you can do it.
The laser.
Just show me and keep on going. Woo! You are nearly dead. Ten seconds to go. Keep on going. I know. Doesn't feel like a sprint anymore, right? Feels like something which is way longer. But good news, we're gonna hit 2 climbs in a second. First, hands back, shoulders down and relax. Woo! Yes, and with relax, means that's the beginning of the next stress. So let's go for the next stress. More resistance, take the resistance higher, and good luck. I keep on saying it. I used to say perfect all the time, now I say good luck all the time. Go figure. More resistance, more resistance. Round number 1 from this track. Only 2 rounds. Hands up, open up your chest, and hit it. Ow! Yes. Now, can you feel it? Yeah, you need more resistance, right? Me too. Okay, sink yourself down, release that resistance just a little bit, but remember how far you turn it back, because you have to go past the original point in a second. Always want to keep on increasing to become stronger, leaner, meaner, whatever your goal is. If your goal is just to sweat, I think you're done already. I am done. Good. So more resistance, more resistance. Take that resistance up just a little further.
Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Just keep going on.
Hell yeah.
I'm your
The lyrics is telling it all. Don't stop. Keep on going on. More, more, more hands out, and here we go. Ow! Yes. Okay, take the resistance just a little bit higher. Keep on going. So after this climb, we're gonna go straight away for a sprint, and then we're gonna have 2 mixed terrain. You'll notice in a second, but I'm just telling you right now already. Good luck. Keep on going. Oh yes. Oh. Yes. Speed it up. You can already hear it coming. It's Britney. Alright, you know what? Sit yourself down, release that resistance. Hands nice and wide. Here we go. Speed up.
When you have this in the club, you gotta turn it up. You gotta
I couldn't turn it up.
You gotta turn it up. When we up in the club,
I had to turn it up.
all eyes on us.
Maybe you should too.
All eyes on us.
Whoop.
All
Keep
eyes
on going. Speed it up and keep it strong.
They watching us. They watching us. They watching us. Everybody in the club. All eyes on us.
Oh!
All eyes on us.
Enough for now and relax. Whoever thought that spinning in a tuxedo would be so warm? I didn't know. They didn't tell me. Alright, you want to increase the resistance because we're going to climb and sprint and then again climb and sprint 2 times in a row. So more resistance. 1, 2, 1, 2. Push those heels down for longer, stronger legs. Yes. Take the resistance up just another notch. It doesn't have to be too heavy, but it can be. Stand up. Go! Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Keep on going.
Bring the action.
Rock and roll. Everybody, let's lose control. All the bottom, we let it go.
Yes.
Going fast, we ain't going slow. No, no. Hey, yo. Hear the beat, now let's hit the flow. Drink some more. Light it up.
So what you want to do is increase the speed, so just a little bit faster. So we're going to sprint down in a second again.
Turn it up.
It's not too long, so make it a fast one.
Turn it up.
Oh, sit yourself down,
We gon' shake.
turn it down, and sprint.
The
Go!
action.
When you have this in the club, you gotta turn it up. You gotta turn it up. You gotta turn it up. When we up in the club, all eyes on us. All
Yes.
eyes on us.
Only 10 more seconds to go.
See them girls in the club. They looking at us. They looking at us. They looking at us.
Everybody in the club, all eyes on us. All eyes on
Hey,
us.
stop and increase the resistance. Once again, exactly the same thing, but we're gonna have a little hover in between as well. A little hover, a long hover in between. If you don't know what it is, you might want to skip that. Otherwise, again, I'm gonna say it one more time. Good luck.
And shout and let
Yeah.
it all out and scream and shout and let it out.
Alright, increase the resistance to a point that you can actually stand onto the pedals again. More, hands out, stand up, go. Can you feel it? And I said, oh yeah, I'm positive. But you're gonna feel it after this one, for sure. So what you wanna do, keep on standing, but your upper body should be as
It goes on and on,
still possible. Have to search for that word.
Party together. I wish this
Right.
night would
So we're gonna do the same thing. We're still climbing,
I was feeling
but it's getting less and less steep. So speed it up just a little bit more. Just before we hit our sprint. So just a little faster. Feel those quads burning. Keep on going. 4, 3, 2, sit yourself down. Release that resistance and go.
wanna scream and shout and let it all out. Scream and shout and let it out. We saying
I've got good news for you. We're gonna pretty much proceed with the climb right away again. So, take the resistance up again. I'm sorry to do this, but it's for your own best. So more resistance, enough for a good climb. So way more resistance, good luck, and go! Oh yes! Don't stop the disco. Well, Corona did, but we're not gonna let us be stopped. Yes, don't stop the disco. I forgot the disco ball and the UV lights. Well, as long as we got each other, a bike, well, and hopefully this video, you'll be fine. Sit yourself down just for a bit, just for a bit. Some breaks are just really tiny, really short. And I'm actually wondering if this is really a break, because I'm gonna tell you to turn it up again. Hands wide, go! Woo! Don't stop the disco. People make awesome music. Ow! Enough for now. Long break. So sit yourself down and relax. Good. So with this break, take a sip or do whatever, because we're gonna actually build up to our interval training, which is after the sprints, but now you know. A long break. Again, I might think that you don't need it. I'm just giving you for security. If you're still out of breath, don't take too much water. You know, it's always O2 before H2O. That's the rule. I didn't make that one up. Have to get a new bottle. Good. More resistance, more resistance, more resistance. Yes. Just take it to a next level or a level above that one. Yes. Just a little more. Oh. Yes. Don't stop those legs. Don't stop those legs. Wait, we are still climbing, so take the wrist up and go. Now. Ow! Don't stop the disco. Yes. Keep on going. You're almost halfway there, which means we're gonna hit your interval training in a second as well, which today is a great track. You'll notice in a second, after the 3 sprints, we're gonna do after this one. But first, keep on going, increase that resistance. Don't be afraid. Just keep on going. Please do not stop the disco ever again. Don't stop the disco. Okay, sit yourself down. Don't stop the disco, hell no. You got me, brother. Alright, so we're gonna have 3 sprints in a row. That's it, 3 sprints. So just a little resistance is enough to start out with. You want to keep controlling those pedals yourself. So make sure there's a little bit of resistance to carry you. Good. The more resistance you have, the less speed you have to make. Just to, well, make the same. Make the same. Well done. Next one, I'm gonna script my texts. Hey, so round number 1. Just a little resistance, you probably already have that. Hands out and speed it up. Go! Stop. 2 more rounds to go before we hit the interval training. Yes. So keep the resistance or turn it back just a little, just to keep the pace up. Hey, little resistance, drop those shoulders, take those hands nice and wide, and here we go! Keep on going, go! Take the speed down for just a little bit, hands back. Short break. And we're gonna take it up again. One more time. Just a little faster than you did before. Keep on going faster. Stronger. More resistance. Hands nice and wide. Here we go. Only 10 more seconds to go. Keep on going. Keep on going. Ah, yes. It's not too late to pray. Hell no. Let's keep on going. Ah, that's 10 seconds, right? Hands back. Yes. Ah, and if you got some questions for the Lord above, you know, don't worry. Jesus, he knows me. Yeah. I can give him a message. So, what you want to do is take the resistance up and stay in the beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's fast, I know, but it is the entire point of the interval training. Yes.
You see the face on the TV screen, coming at you every Sunday. See the face on the billboard. Well, that man is me. On the cover of the magazine.
Woo! Okay, 3 rounds in total. Only the 3rd round is a long one. You'll survive this. Enough resistance to carry you, eh? Ha, 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 ha.
Everything you wanted, I'll get you everything you need. You don't need to believe it here.
Oh, more hands out and stand up. Go, go.
Cause Jesus, he knows me, and he knows I'm right.
Sit down, go.
I've been talking to Jesus all my life.
Stand up, go.
Oh yes, he knows me, and he knows I'm right.
And sit.
And he's been telling me everything.
Okay, hands back, but keep the resistance because I know you can. Don't hold back. Just please keep on going.
But she don't know about my girlfriend or the man I met last night. Do you believe him?
Oh!
Cause that is what I'm saying. And if you wanna get
Good.
to heaven,
Next round,
see you.
a little bit more resistance than you had the round before.
Leave your house or get out of your chair. You don't even have to touch that dime.
Now it is. Alright, hands out and go!
And Jesus, he knows me, and he knows I'm talking to Jesus all my life.
Stand up.
Oh, yes, he knows me.
Yes.
He knows I'm
So sit yourself down and we're gonna have an arrow race, a sprint, just now. Hands in, elbows in, hip forward and sprint. But keep that resistance because I know you can. Keep on going, keep on going. 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good. One more round to go. First, take down the resistance until you can speed up to the pace that you hear in the music.
I can get you a pocket full of miracles. If you promise to be good, try to be.
You know what? This entire class, I will take good care of you. Okay, more resistance. Just take it further. More, deep, stronger. But keep the resistance and stay in the beat. Go. Ba, ba, ba. Because I know you can do it.
Cause I'm getting richer day by day. You can find me in the phone book.
Woo! And just call my toll-free number.
You can do it any way you want.
Good.
Do it right away.
Round number 3. Obviously, it's going to be the heaviest of the 3, and it's going to be the longest out of the 3 as well. I know you can do this. Just believe in yourself or believing something else. Hands out. Go.
Cause Jesus, he knows
Yes. And I know.
I'm right.
And sit.
I've been talking to Jesus.
Let's do it again. Go.
Oh, yes, he knows me. And he knows
Yes.
I'm right.
And sit. And if you forgot to turn it around, take it just a little step further. And here we go. Go.
Cause Jesus, he knows me. And he knows I'm right.
Sit.
Oh, yes, he knows me. And he knows I'm right.
Stand up.
I've been talking to Jesus all my life.
And sit. Okay, one more little sprint. Hands in, elbows in, hip forward, drop the shoulders, go.
Jesus, he knows me.
Just a little faster.
Jesus, he knows me.
And stronger. Woo! Jesus, you know. Some things will never change, but I know your body will. Or stay the same if you would like it to stay the same. Yeah. More resistance.
That's just the way it is.
Yes. Your body will forever change. Yes, just a device through now, but your results are for quite some longer than just this hour. More resistance. Just a good climb to start out with. You don't have to go all that crazy, but obviously you are allowed to. Don't let me tell you what to do. Hey, more.
That's just the way it is.
Oh yes.
That's just the way
Don't know.
it is.
Okay, for now, this should be enough. So sit yourself down just a little bit. The next round is going to be a little bit longer because you want that. Yeah. Hope this was enough to calm you down for just a little bit so we can go further the round after, which is this round. Just another climb. But you know what's the deal with the second climb? Exactly. It has to be just a little bit heavier than your first one. So good luck. Ow! Things will never be the same. Hell no more. What? Even heavier? Well, sure. More resistance. Even more resistance. Hands out.
That's just the
Hit
way
it.
it is.
Ow! Oh yes. Keep on going. Keep on going. Go. Oh yes. You're nearly there. So 4 before we hit the sprint. 3. Alright, sit yourself down. Take the resistance down, shoulders down, and sprint. Go. We are gonna have a mixed rain again. Woo!
Each and every day, true play away. I can't get her out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides. It's no surprise. She got kicks in the stash, stacking up the cash. That's when it comes to the gas. By no means average.
Okay. So, resistance, take it up. More resistance, more resistance. Stand up. Go.
I like the way you work it. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it.
It's like we never rest anymore, but you know what? Who needs rest anyway?
I like the way you work it. I got to bag it up.
Alright, speed up, sit yourself down, and sprint. Go!
She's got class and style.
You are gonna get a break after this round, don't worry. Just keep on going.
Catching feelings is a no. Let me tell you how it goes. Herbs the word, spins the verb. Love is it curves, so freak what you heard. Oh, rolling when they're fatness. You don't even know what the half is. You gotta pay to play just to show that bang bang look your way.
Hey, you're almost there now.
Jump tight all day, every day. You're blowing my mind.
Hey, hands in, elbows in, and keep it going. Oh, wait. Exactly, that's what I wanted to say. You need more resistance before we go. So take the speed back a little bit, and then we gotta go for an arrow race. So a little bit more resistance, hip forward, and a little bit faster. But stay here, stay here, stay here. Yeah, I wanted to go right away. You wanted to go right away, but we have to wait before the music goes. Sorry. Ready, set, arrow race, go! Only 10 more seconds to go. Hey, stop. Way more resistance because we're gonna stand up but slowly. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, but more resistance than before. Take that resistance up more, way more. Stand up and take your pace down, like half speed pretty much.
Yeah.
So more resistance.
I like the play.
2, 1, 2. No diggity, no doubt. Yeah.
Hey yo, that girl looks good.
Yeah, you can take that resistance up a little further, but then again, it's mixed terrain, so we're gonna sprint right away after. So don't worry about it too much. Alright, speed it up. Listen to the music, and you will hear it. So a little bit faster, because this has got to be a sprint of a lifetime. Well, not the sprint of a lifetime. We're gonna have that after. But for now, a sprint of a lifetime. Sit yourself down. Hey, and go! Ow!
Hey yo, that girl looks good. Play on, play on, play on.
You're my kind of girl. Yes, just a little quicker. Keep on going. Woo! Oh yes, I know that you can do it. Keep on going, just a little further. Oh yes, just a little bit more. Take the resistance up and take your hands back. So drop the speed and take the resistance up. So more. We're gonna go straight from the sprint into a big climb. So good luck, because you might need it. More. I told you again, but you will need it. More, more. Hands out and go.
Last night the DJ said
Oh yeah. Woo!
last night the DJ said my life, yeah. 'Cause I was feeling that part of this for me, just one way. He said, you gotta get up, you gotta get up, you gotta get down, girl.
Oh.
You know you drive me crazy, baby. You got me turning to love me.
yourself down and take the resistance back. So, one more round to go with the standing up. And then we're gonna go for long sprints. So, good luck. I know that you can do it. Just take that resistance a little bit further. We're nearing the end anyway, so why would you hold back? No reason. I'm telling you, there's no reason. Why should you hold back? Exactly. So, take that resistance up a little further. And with a little bit further, I mean a lot further. So further than you're doing right now. More. Take that resistance up, hands out, and go! Ow! Oh yes! No. They're still fighting above air. Okay, keep it going. And if you feel like, hey, this is fine, then your resistance is too low. So take it further, go.
You gotta get up, you gotta get up, you gotta get down.
Okay, one more time. Take it up a little bit further. It's not gonna help you with the sprints we're gonna have in a second, because those are long, but it's gonna help you look better, feel better afterwards, and sweat just a little bit more. But that's probably not the problem now. Woo! Yes! And nearly there. Just keep on going. Last bit. Opa! Okay, for now on up, sit yourself down, relax. You need this, trust me. Because we're gonna go crazy. We're gonna have 2 long sprints. 2 big sprints, 2 long sprints. We're gonna have 2 sprints, which each are divided in 2 rounds. We're gonna have a regular sprint and an arrow race. I don't know why I did this to you. I'm not even sure why I'm doing this to myself. But I know for sure we're getting out of this stronger and fitter. For sure. Alright, just a little bit faster. Keep on going.
Come da porta picchita va bene. Si tu la parla miezza americano.
Speed it up just a little bit further. Hey, drop those shoulders, extend your back hands are nice and wide and go. Oh, this is gonna be so long, so good luck. So push and pull and push and pull. Go, go! Yes, more, hands in, and arrow race. Keep on going, go! Woo! This is the second part of the first round. Keep on going. I know that you can do it. Go! You know what? It's even worse. This is the second part of your first sprint. Now, go! I didn't even know this. Woo! There is still something left in those legs. Keep on burning, keep on going. Woo! Now only 4 to go. 3, 2. Well, hands back. I got good news. Wait, no. I got bad news. You only got like 20 seconds to recover. I only got 20 seconds to recover. I'm not even sure if it's sweat or tears. Good luck anyway. It's salty. It could be both. Good. You know what? A little bit more resistance if you're a real maniac. Yes, and I know you are. So keep on going. Just a little faster. Drop the shoulders a little bit. And when you're thinking, we're not gonna go again, right? I told you we are. Hands out. Drop the shoulders. Good luck. Ready, set? Here we go. Ow! know there are people out there thinking, that break was longer than 20 seconds, Lars. It was. So keep on going. Just a little faster, go! Woo! You're nearly there. Okay, I told you, second part of this sprint as well. Hands in, elbows in, hip forward, jump those shoulders, go, go. Woo! Until you can't feel those legs anymore, and beyond. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, go. Good news. First, she's gonna take you further. Hands back. Okay. More resistance. And with more resistance, I mean way more resistance. We're gonna have 4 climbs, but none of them are gonna be really long. So this is your time to finally catch your breath just a little bit before we hit the sprints, well, the jumps in the end, and then the mountain climb. But that means that you're almost here. You're almost at the peak of your mountain after these 3 tracks. So good luck. More resistance, more resistance. Take your hands nice and wide. Open up your chest. Stand up. Now, go. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Fisher never disappoints. You know what to do. Take that resistance further. Ow! Okay, sit yourself down just a little bit. You can take the resistance down as long as you remember how far you take it down. So you can take it to the next level. Well, the same level, or just a little step beyond. So that's exactly what I want you to do right now. You know what? And after this round, let's not take a break. Let's just take a hover after this round. Be sure that you're warned. Okay, more resistance than the round before, and stand up, go. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Good. As I told you, you can either take a break or hover now. Hover. Yes, if you got a mirror in front of you, it should be like looking at a painting. My God, what a lovely painting. Is it moving? No, it isn't. Because you're standing so still. Take more resistance, more resistance. Here we go. Oh, yes. Yep. Okay, the only long break you're gonna get is this one. Sit yourself down, relax. So 1 long break, 1 long climb, 2 jump trainings, 2 mountains. That's it. And then you're there. Well, and the cooling down. But I'm sure you'll survive that one as well. Good. Don't know what happened there, but it happened. More resistance. Last round before we're gonna hit those jumps. Good. So take that resistance up just a little bit further if you can, if you dare, if you want to become stronger, fitter, faster, harder, tougher, and better. Go! Yep. Who needs a club anyway when you got this music in the comfort of your own living room? Well, or outside, or at the gym if you're lucky enough. Yep. You Keep on going. One more time. More resistance. What the? Yep. More seconds to go. Then we're gonna sit down, speed up, jump twice in a row. Well, twice, 8 times in a row. And then we had the 2 mountains only. But those mountains are long and tall. Ow! Yep. Then I say, boo up up bow. Alright, enough for now. Sit yourself down, take the resistance down. So what you want to do is take more resistance than you would normally take than with a sprint. So more resistance means that you got more control over what you're doing, so you can actually stand up and sit down. If you're not familiar with the jumps or you don't want to do them, just sprint, but make sure that your resistance is still higher up than you would normally have it with a normal sprint. Yeah, so you still have to work harder, but reach the same or reach more if you're sprinting as hard or as fast as you normally would do. Good luck. 8 jumps in the first round, 8 jumps in the second round, but we're gonna follow the second round up with a little sprint. Yes. I know you're ready, because otherwise you wouldn't have made it this far. Good. And what is an hour in your life? It's nothing. It goes by like that. Pretty sure of that. So, faster, shoulders down, hands out, and here we go. Up and down. Only 8 of these, so it's 7 more to go. The faster you go, the better, but stay in control. That's the most important thing. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. That's now. 2 more to go. Woo! I was way ahead of business. Last one. Relax. And I know what you're thinking, it's not enough, it's not enough. No. 1 more round to go. 8 jumps and the sprint and 2 mountains. But you know this by now. You heard me. Feel the beat in your chest, reach your chest like an animal. Yes. Catch your breath. Make sure you got enough oxygen back in those legs before we hit the second round of these jump training.
Your body's poetry, speak to me. Won't you let me be your rhythm tonight? Move your body, I wanna be your muse. Use my music to let me be your rhythm tonight.
The resistance as high as it was before. If it's still there, then turn it up just a little bit. You have no choice but to move your body. Drop the shoulders. Speed it up just a little bit. Hands out. Go! Happy people. Happy music. Oh yes. And sit down. Keep on going. Up and down. Oh yes. I know that you can do it. Only 4 to go. More. Ow! Move your body. 2 more. Oh yes. Last one, and after the last one, take your hands in, take your elbows in, hip forward, and go, sprint. Nearly there, only 10 more seconds to go. So 4, 3, 2, and up for now, hands back. 2 mountains, that's it. 2 long, tall mountains. That's it, that is less than we normally do. But I just love this track so much that I needed to use it one day. Which is today. Yes, just the beginning of summer. More resistance. Take the resistance higher. Take the resistance higher. More, stronger. Tougher. Fitter. More. Hands out. Go! Don't forget, this is your first mountain of today and it should feel like that. Good luck. Keep on going. More. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh. Woo! Starting to you can do it. Go! Does it feel like a mountain yet? The answer is no. Or maybe, turn it up. Huh. Oh yeah. More resistance. I know. It's getting steeper and steeper, but we're heading to your peak. What were you expecting? You know what? Sit down for just a brief moment. This is still your first time. Take the resistance down just a little bit, but remember where it was. We're going to hit the same peak. Yes, the same resistance? No. More resistance than the round before. More, and go! This is still your first mountain, by the way. Woo! Just a little step further. Woo! Enough and sit down, relax. One more round to go. One more mountain and that's it. And then you're done. Yes, then I can get rid of my tuxedo. And try to walk home. If I can. Okay, last round. More resistance. So take the resistance higher than you thought you would ever put it. So take it further, take it higher. Hands out and go! Your very last mountain is a very real mountain and it should feel like that. Keep on going. Take that resistance up just a little higher. Woo! Oh. Wait, the second to last time I ask you, can you turn it up just a little bit more? Keep going. So, the very last time I'm going to ask you today, please, just do a little more or a lot more. Woo! The end distance sight. The finish line is nearby, and you want to be the first one to finish. Yes, this time you do want to be the first one to finish. Yes. Keep on going. So what you want to do, take your body forward a little bit and start commencing the sprint. So more speed. 25 seconds till you hit your finish line and your peak. It should feel like a peak. Alright, in your heart, in your lungs, in your legs, in your entire body. More speed. Woo! You're an idiot. Keep it going. Only 4 more seconds to go. 3, just a little faster. Woo! Go! And relax. That was easy. I know. Exactly what I was thinking. Oh. Good. You made this and it's not enough. I've got 6 other classes prepared for you, and if you're at my website, they're right below here. Don't worry. Take the resistance down a bit. Push those legs. So keep on moving. Don't stand still. Keep on moving. So if you want to, take your chest up and take your shoulders back. Shake those arms. Shoulders. And open up your chest. Hands behind your glutes. Open up your chest. And watch the ceiling or the sky below. You want to? Stop here. Take your right leg up. Take your left hand on top of your right leg. Open up your chest and turn to the right side. Maybe you can feel your lower back releasing. You've been working hard. So make sure it's a good stretch. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Open up your chest. Right hands across the left leg and open and turn. Stop, stand up. Take your right heel back and down and feel your calf stretching. So drop the heel and bring your hip forward. So switch sides. Left heel down. And that calf have been working a lot. So make sure it's a good stretch. Bring your hip forward just a little bit and drop that heel. Yes, take your time and get off that bike. Shake it off. Make sure everything's just a little bit loose. And take your right leg in. Push your heels together or heels together. Your knees together, push your hip forward and push that heel into your glutes. Open up your chest. The longer you are, the more stretch you feel in the quads. Yes. All right, the right leg, cross over to the left knee and drop your chest down. Open up. Put that leg in. Hip forward. Push that heel. Okay, take that heel over and push the glutes down. Okay, let's do one more stretch. Feet hip width apart and tip from the hip all the way down and push your hip up and drop the shoulders just a little bit further. Further back, further back. Please just come up again. Take your shoulders back and open up your chest. And if you made it this far, and if you made it all the way to the end, I want to thank you all so much for being here, and I hope to see you next time again with Let's Move spinning number 8. That's a lot. Hope to see you next time. Great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.